social mafia. If you didn't get what I was doing in the beginning of this video, no worries. I'm gonna teach you how to use TikTok and explain you why exactly you should be from now on TikTok. Let's begin. So as you probably already guessed, this video is gonna be about TikTok. Honestly speaking, I never thought I'm gonna use TikTok ever. But now actually I'm a constant user of TikTok, and I'm gonna explain you why I started to use it, and I'm absolutely in love with this hilarious platform. And why this is important for you to start embracing TikTok and be present on this platform. Now I know that many people don't really take TikTok serious, but you know what? The same happened with Instagram. In the beginning of Instagram Live, no one took it serious. And actually those people who took this platform serious from the beginning on now are a big influencers in the world. And if you think TikTok is a platform for just teenagers, you are deeply wrong, because for example, Gary Vee is on TikTok, Rita Ora, and many other celebrities out there. Really, this platform is not just for teenagers, but for actually everyone's use. And I can see on TikTok, even grandparents of these teenagers are taking part of some challenges. If you don't know what TikTok is, I would like to give you a little introduction. What is TikTok about and how to use it, basically. Because I've been using TikTok already for a month, and one of the video right here got quite viral, and it's a really awesome platform, because since it's published, it's been already several days, and the views are keep growing and growing. So I assume that's one of these hashtags that I've been using on TikTok, that the video appeared in the top. So that's why we're getting still views for this video, and I got a lot of followers thanks to this video, and as well as likes. So TikTok is actually a relatively new platform, but it's merged with the previous app called Musical.ly, and now it's altogether called TikTok. And TikTok is the fastest growing social media platform in the world. Well, as for the numbers, just to convince you once again that it's really important that you use TikTok, now it has 800 million users, while Instagram just have 1 billion users. I mean, Instagram is relatively old and TikTok is a very new platform, so I assume that it's gonna grow within a couple more years, and it's going to embrace a higher audience than Instagram. So some basic information, what actually TikTok is about. You can share a video that lasts up to 15 minutes long, only videos, and then you can write a caption that has max 100 characters, and of course use hashtags as the same as any other platform. Hashtags allows people to find content on this platform. Basically that is it, and how it works. The registration is super easy, and you can connect some other social media channels like YouTube on Instagram, and when a person clicks on your profile, he can follow you as well on other social media channels. If you like this video so far, make sure to smash this like button and follow my channel if you're not yet, and of course don't forget to click this bell button, because I publish a video 2 times a week on Tuesday and Thursday, so you don't miss anything important. What I love about this platform is that when you create a video on TikTok, you can immediately share this video on your other platforms by clicking simply a few buttons. When I started to dig into this topic about TikTok, how to use it, many people were writing that it's really important and essential to pick a niche on TikTok and publish content relevant to this niche. But here it's a big challenge, because not every niche is going to be satisfying for this platform, because this platform is more for entertainment rather than education. Well, I assume that in future it's gonna still move towards edutainment, which means education and entertainment, and it's gonna be a little bit easier for me to be present on this social media platform. But for now, what I decided to choose for me as being a social media manager, it's really so warm in here. It's like, what, 36 degrees outside? I decided to post some working moments as well as participating in challenges. So my tip number 1 for you, if you don't know what to post on TikTok, participate in challenges. Challenges is a great way to be discovered on TikTok and to get into this hype. Well, what you have to do is to go to Discover, and then you can see what's our trending going on in the region where we live. I assume that they divide the feed according to the geolocation, and I'm not sure 100% yet. So you go to your discover page, and then you can see what people are actually doing. And when you see that something is repeating constantly, like what I was doing in the beginning of the video, then it means that people are participating in a sort of challenge. So what you have to do is to do some sort of movement according to the rhythm of the song. So simply just learn this movement, record the same song, and here you go. And then don't forget to publish several hashtags. For example, I discovered this hashtags for you is actually quite a huge hashtag, and I assume one of these hashtags brought me a lot of views. So make sure when you see someone posted this video, make sure also to see what kind of hashtags they use for this challenge. So for example, we decided to go for this challenge. So how you save this video for future in order to implement something similar, you just press this arrow button and then you click save, and it's going to be saved into your page. So you just go here and then click on the saved videos, and here we go. That's how it actually works. And the other tricks is that you are simply can record something with different types of the speed. For example, that's me. I'm gonna just turn around the camera. Hello. So you can record something with different speed, and we can add the sound, different sounds. For example, we're gonna choose, let's say, I don't know, let's choose this one. And then I'm gonna record myself with a different kind. This is a speed that you can choose. For example, I'm gonna record myself like this. And then I stop, and again. And then maybe I'm gonna choose another speed like this. Here we go. So you can see the result. Well, yeah, it's kind of funny. And you can also use different stickers, filters, and things like that. That is basically how TikTok is working, nothing complicated, but go ahead and try to use it, because you can have a great exposure to a younger audience. And what actually Gary Vee said why he's on TikTok, because he wants the younger generation to, once they're ready to buy products, to already know him and be ready for his services and products that he offers to purchase. TikTok is going to be a great way to explore new audience, and it's growing really fast. And I promise you, if now you'll start to post frequently on TikTok and participate in challenges, in just very short period of time, you will be able to get your big audience very, very fast. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please list them below. And if you have any ideas which topics I should cover in future, make sure to list them as well in the comment section, because I create content based on your requests.